Hello and welcome back to the Banjo Family Fun Channel. My name is Banjo.
And I'm Joe Banjo.
And today we're going to be opening these Master of the Universe figures.
Yeah, they're from Master of the Universe Revelation. I haven't seen the cartoon on Netflix, but they're by Mattel. And I used to love the old He-Man cartoons. But I've never watched the Revelation one. But saw these figures; they were cheap price, so I thought get them and open up and see what they look like. So
we have Lyn and Skelegod.
Yes, Lyn and Skelegod.
So first, let's start getting an opening. So first, I'm gonna open Lyn. These are like proper package boxes. Like, if you are a collector, these could be good if you like them.
And we're being joined by Victoria. Want to say hi, Victoria? No, she doesn't want to say hi.
Okay, so this is Lyn. So she has a lot of things that she comes with.
Yeah.
She comes with herself. This is Lyn.
There's Lyn for you. Let's hold her up really quick for the camera. There's Lyn for you.
And she has her big, giant wand.
And there's the backside for you.
That we need to put on her.
And she also has hair with her. So you could take off her head and put her a different head on her.
Well, she has two of these. This is the bigger one. Well, let's put this one on. Because it's bigger. So you can remove stuff and put them on them.
What's her name?
Lyn. She's from Master of the Universe. He-Man.
Kind of like Evelyn.
Maybe like Evelyn. Yeah.
Because my friend's name is Evelyn.
Okay, I never thought of Evelyn, like Lyn.
Okay, there. That's her with the big staff.
And she also has a head.
Yes.
Tons of hair.
Can you hold her up a little bit?
Let me get. Okay, lower down a little bit. There's her. Oh, lower down a little bit more. There you go.
She has another head.
Twirl her around.
This is her other head.
Okay,
let's see. Put it on.
Let's see if we can take off her head. And she comes with a couple sets of hands.
I took off her head.
Ah! And she.
I just gotta put her hair on. Her hair on. Wait, I'm getting it on.
While Victoria is trying to get that on, I'll come out and show you the thing.
And this is her.
Yeah, that's her with her other head.
And she also comes with a
She has white hair.
and you can put a purse on her. And you can also change out her hands into different ones. So that's Lyn.
Now let's move on to Skelegod.
Well, she can't stand up, really.
So I wish I got He-Man.
Okay, put it back up so we can open
He-Man
it.
looks really.
And Victoria's going to be opening this one for you. Oh.
I'm trying to open it.
Not recommended to rip it.
That's okay.
But I could rip it if I want.
While she's opening that, Charlotte Banjo, why don't you try to stand up Lyn? See if you can get her stand.
I got Skelegod.
Oh.
Skelegod also comes with a cape.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to be opening this listening parts.
So yeah, Skelegod is I'm guessing he's Skeletor. Something happened and
No, I don't think he's Skeletor.
and it became Skelegod. Maybe not. I've never watched this TV the cartoon. I think I'm gonna have to.
But I think he turned into Skeletor turned into Skelegod.
I don't think so, because there's a Skeletor character.
And he comes with a couple of hands, extra set of hands there.
What are these?
I'm not sure what that is.
It's hard to get out.
Yes.
Skelegod's hard to get out.
Here's Evil Lyn.
Give me that. Oh, there's Evil Lyn standing up for you. You ever try to get out?
Oh, I need scissors.
Can you pass scissors here? Charlotte. Charbanjo.
Ooh. I should try this movie
I
with
think she
Evil
wants to
Lyn.
open Skelegod.
I should try this new with
I need
Evil
his
Lyn.
arms out too.
Okay, we better hurry because there's not a whole lot left on this, Victoria.
I'm trying.
Do you want me to do it really quick?
I will do it. I just need to get this out.
The battery on the camera is dying right now. There's one in the middle.
And Victoria's taking her sweet time.
One in the middle. There you go.
Got him out. Now I just need to get this weapon out.
I don't think we have time
Okay,
to try out.
let me hold him up really quick.
I don't think we have time to try on all his weapons.
Yes. So there is Skelegod for
One
you,
weapon. And this is one weapon.
and he looks really cool. So we want to move him back a little bit.
Charlotte,
he's on
don't
camera?
put that on him. Button.
And I don't think it goes on his head. Victoria, I don't think it goes on his head.
Where does it go?
I don't know. We'd have to look at the box and
Oh, wait. Look at this.
see. Okay.
Okay.
All
Well,
right. So let me see him really quick. Let me see him really quick. Okay. So got a couple minutes left. Let me see if I can get his sword in his hand.
Drew, I don't think they show. I don't think they show.
Okay. Well, that is Skelegod for you.
Oh,
and
there's Skelegod.
okay, that's Skelegod for you, and
No,
that.
this is his power.
Okay, it's his power. So let's move him back a little bit. Can you move him back a little bit, Charbanjo? Okay. So let me zoom in on him really quick. Okay. So again, we just opened 2 of the Master of the Universe Revelation figures, and we got Skelegod and Evil Lyn. So Charbanjo, what do you think? You like these?
Yeah.
Victoria, you like those?
Yeah.
Yes.
I
And
also like these two.
yes, and Victoria's showing you a couple of the figures we opened in another video.
These are called the Shining Twins.
Yes, they're the Grady twins from The Shining. So thank you for watching.
Wait, the Brady twins?
Grady.
What's Grady twins?
That's their last name, Grady.
But why are they evil?
You know what? I haven't watched that movie in a long time, and I totally forgot everything about that movie. So, okay, so let's get back to Skelegod and Evil Lyn. So those are the figures for you.
Can you get those 2 out of the way?
It's fine. It's fine. So thank you for watching. What's the spiel?
Subscribe, leave a comment.
Mm-hmm.
Turn on post notifications so you can get notified whenever a new video comes out.
Yes.
And thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Is
Bye.
evil and
Yes.
evil?